Number 3 is FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. It introduces the ultimate tool to elevate your business to new heights, the FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 3D Printer. With its cutting-edge technology, this powerhouse boasts 2 independent dual direct-drive metal extruders, allowing you to print 2 colors and materials simultaneously. Double productivity, double the possibilities. But wait, there's more! The Creator Pro 2 also features a heating bed that rapidly and steadily heats up to prevent model warping, allowing you to produce high-quality prints with various materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, wood, and PVA. And its anti-scrape design minimizes cross-contamination during dual-color printing, making it the perfect choice for industrial design, tool design, architects, and mechanical designers. At FLASHFORGE, we believe in putting the customers first. We offer a 1-month free return and exchange policy, a 1-year warranty, lifetime technical support, and reliable 12-hour response service. Zero-risk purchase guarantee ensures your satisfaction and peace of mind. Experience the future of business with the FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 3D Printer. Join the FLASHFORGE family today and unleash your creativity. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.